Hey everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going over to Ethereum once again. Thank you, support. Okay, big of the CoinsKid crew. So I think Ethereum holds many clues in this crypto market for the altcoins and the health of the market. This is why I do keep an eye on Ethereum. We've had a lot of success with Ethereum over these years that I've been making this channel. We've rode some beautiful waves. We've gone short, we've gone long, we've rode it like an absolute boss. Okay, for those people paying attention, I did buy and did give this target on Ethereum, this bottom here. It was really simple. It was an ABC correction that I was looking at from this high here. This is the A wave down, the B wave high. When we start to come down here and printed the death cross on the weekly time frame, my projection was all the way back down here as a buyback. And I did relay a message to you. It was a simple, expanded flat ABC correction down to the 1618. It was a beautiful little sweet spot to get involved. We did, and then we rode it all the way back up here. Okay, we're doing incredibly well against our mentality. So, way back last year, I did relay to you from this bottom here. We've seen 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this was a sweet spot, like I've always taught you. See 5 waves up, get out. See 5 waves down, get in. Really simple. Okay, so we've seen the 5 waves up at that point in April. That's why I did flip bearish at that point in April of last year. I did flip bearish on crypto. I said to you, we've seen 5 waves across the board, take some profit, jump ship, whatever you want to do, but I'm just relaying. I think we're coming in for a macro correction, and we did. We got the A, the B, the C. So at the bottom of this correction, I said to you, a lot of people are expecting us to lose this low and go lower and so on and so forth, Bitcoin breakdown and things like that. But I said to you, we've got the qualification of the end of the C wave. This is a sweet spot. I'm taking a chance here, and what we've got on the bigger macro move here for Ethereum is really simple. We've got a beautiful ascending triangle, and this is a trade that we were looking at. We've got the beautiful ascending level support, we've got the support, we've got the resistance, and like I've always taught you, we should break out on the 3rd point resistance and then come to the technical target, which we did. The technical target was met like an absolute boss. But also in the technical target being met, and this is something I relayed to you at this point here in March of this year, which is why I flipped bearish again on Ethereum and anticipating a correction across the board for crypto markets. Really simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The technical target of the ascending triangle was met equally in 5 waves. So like I've taught you there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, get out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, get out. And this is something I was relaying to you. This is why I took some profit, traveled to America, went to Germany, had a good time on those profits. Okay, so again, like I said to you, I expect a macro correction at that point, and we've got it. We've got this huge correction that's come back down. And in theory, all you've done is break out, come back to the support of this ascending triangle, and you're looking to coil up and go again. So Ethereum is a big project obviously. That's why I pay attention to it. It's the second by market cap. It's the boss of the altcoins. It's like the queen to Bitcoin king basically. So this is why I do pay attention to Ethereum with great detail. Like I said to you, altcoins, they get smashed up, low caps. It is what it is. They'll correct horrendously, but if we're retaining the structure within the top dogs here, then we've not lost any structure for the bull market. So the structure is really simple. We break down below that orange line at $1,513, whatever that low is on your exchange right there. We break down below that, then we have begun to lose market structure here, and I have to predict to the downside. So at the minute, I think simply what we've got is a 1 into a 2 into a 3 into a 4, looking for the final 5th wave here. The final 5th wave of a larger 5th wave move that has come from this low here. So again, we've had a 1 into a 2 into a 3. If this is a wave 4 correction, it cannot lose this low here. We've already breached this wave 1 high. So this has got one thing left on its side that's bullish, and it is really simple. It's called an expanding leading diagonal, basically a broadening ascending wedge for Ethereum. Okay, this is something I'm looking at. If we lose this orange line before taking out this high, Ethereum is extremely bearish, and it's a clue to this market being extremely bearish. Okay, I can't predict that it will or it won't or whatever. It's just data that's in the charts. It begins to break structure. It means we're bearish. Really simple, and we're getting major clues in the charts. At the moment, we're actually bullish. We've got bullish market structure here for Ethereum because we've got basically we've got a low there, a high, a low there, a high, a low there, and a high. Really simple. We've not lost any structure, and right now we're still holding this high low. So we've got this beautiful uptrend structure for Ethereum. It's not bearish market structure, although we've had this correction. We had that correction there, we had this correction there, we had the correction there. It wasn't bearish market structure. You've got this at the end of it. Do you understand? So I can't flip too bearish until we create the bearish market structure, i.e. you come up here, you make a low, and then you lose this low. That's bearish market structure. Okay, leads to a massive move to the downside, one in which you look to the left and it gives you any clues for guides as to where you're going to go. And as I've told you, this was an A into a B into a C. That was the opportunity. So for example, let's take a look at this potential scenario that the overall macro trend is actually bearish from that point. This is the A, this is the B, this is the C. If that is the case, we need to see Ethereum start to come down, take out that low, take out that low, and take out that low. If it does, what's the projection? Really, really simple. We'll look at the bigger macro, A, into the B, into the C, and that will be your projection, around about $281. But I can't tell you that, like so many people are telling you it's going to go down there right now, like Savvy and people like that, until we create the structure for that. Do you understand? It's really, really simple. So at the minute, we are actually retaining market structure from this low, 1, 2, 3, 4, looking for the final fifth wave. So I think that what we've got here for Ethereum is a clue that we have bottomed out just there. We've got a daily bullish divergence, which I've relayed to the CoinsKid crew this morning. This is why I've took an opportunity on Ethereum. And again, a lot of people say I'm a degen, but you know, it's the same opportunity I was relaying down there as well. You know, for Ethereum, I'm relaying this message to you right now. All we've done at the moment is breakout, backtest support, resistance to support, looking for the continuation. It's perfect. Ascending triangle, breakout, backtest, see you later. Really, really simple technical analysis. So the invalidation of the bullishness right now is market structure. Lose that low, which is 1,513. Then, you know, we've got to flip bearish. But until that point comes, I'm just respecting the data. We're looking incredibly bullish here for Ethereum, although it doesn't feel like it. So these pullbacks are just opportunity in bull markets. Opportunity, opportunity. Even this was just an overall opportunity because it's still a higher low. You know, if you take a look at that and take a look at this, ascending triangle, breakout, third point resistance, back test, see you later. Ascending triangle, breakout, back test, see you later. It's no different from that point right there. So again, it's not bullshit, it's not opium, it's just simple data that I relay to you. So I'm looking for the breakdown market structure to get bearish on Ethereum, and I just don't see it yet. And I know a lot of people are really, really bearish and things like that because of the sentiment. But like I've always taught you, in these pullbacks in bull markets, this is where the opportunity lies if you can stomach the risk. So right now, I've added to my bags. You know, I've added some Ethereum at this point. If it dips again, I will add again because we'll see the 5-wave count on the C wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's only an opportunity. So like I said to you, if you see 5 waves down, get in. If you see 5 waves in, up, get out. Really, really simple. So I know I'm repeating myself a lot. I do apologise, but all I'm trying to do is relay the data to you that this is a potential opportunity right now. So what we can do as well equally is use Fibonacci to take a look at the retracement that we're going through. So what we've done really, really simply is add a 1 into a 2 into a 3 into a 4 into a 5, and this is an ABC coming back. Look at the A wave, it's overlapping flagging structure. This A wave was the same, overlapping flagging structure, comes up, makes a lower high, drop, comes up, makes a lower high, drop. So in theory, all we've done is seen an impulsive move, and right now a corrective move coming back down to this 1 fib, sorry, roughly 1,510. We lose that, okay, we'll start to put an impulsive move to the downside, and it's no longer looking, you know, impulsive. It's corrective, impulsive, and then coming down, you're losing the 1 fib. It's no longer holding the impulsive move. Really, really simple, okay? So this is why, you know, a lot of people say moon tar, bull tar, whatever, but when we're retaining market structure, I can't flip bearish and project to the downside. Here, we lost market structure. This is why you project to the downside. Do you understand? So anyway, I wish I hadn't most luck, but you know what I'm looking at is a coiled up ascending triangle. We're broke on a 3rd point resistance. We're coming back to the support. We're looking to create some kind of bottom structure down here, and we're looking for the final wave, the final leg of a bull market. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The end game. We see 5 moves up here from this point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm, you know, seriously thinking about exiting all my positions in the entire market because we've got a massive 5-wave move up there, beautiful, and then, you know, you're going to get a bear market straight after. So really, really simple. In a minute, what we're doing, we've had a 5-wave move up, we're retracing the move. We're currently holding the golden ratio at $2,209. If we dip again, I'm going to be a buy, not a cry. We've got the 0.7 at 2,036, and we've got the 786 at 18.69. You know, I'll be putting bids on that level there, you know, looking for the big boy bounce. But one thing to look at in these corrections, if we take a look, the A wave, the B wave, the C wave. In the C wave for Ethereum, sorry, we are seeing 3 waves in the bounce and the double bottom. 1, 2, 3, double bottom, see you later. 1, 2, 3, double bottom, see you later. Here, 1, 2, 3, double bottom, see you later. So we may be creating the bottom structure right now for Ethereum when everyone's flipping bearish, looking for lower prices. This could be the absolute golden opportunity on the golden ratio. 0.618 at $2,209. So if this can come up, hold this low over the next couple of weeks, create some kind of ascending triangle there, like it did there, and like it did there, then we could be in for a good time. Again, you could just wait for that. You could be patient, you know, instead of jumping in like I've done right now, taking a risk. Just wait for some kind of bottoming structure here for Ethereum to emerge. If it starts to do this over the next few weeks, wow, you know, I'm going to start to build some real good long positions. I'm going to stop on the pivot low, looking for the explosive final fifth wave. Sorry. Hope you understand that update. I hope people understand what I'm getting at. Okay, I'm not like perma bear, whatever. I'm just always looking to ride the waves. For example, I flip bearish there, 1 2 3 4 5, get out. Flip bearish here, 1 2 3 4 5, get out. We see the big move here, 1 2 3 4 5. I'm all out, guys. Really, really simple. Hope you understand the update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care, everyone. Back to another update on Ethereum. Bye bye.